Hello everybody, I am Chelsea and I'm the conductor of this Choo Choo Train. Choo choo, choo choo. Let me get inside and I have to go get some passengers. There, that's my spot. Choo choo, choo choo, choo choo. Choo choo train. Ooh, choo 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 choo. We have a bunch of animals that want to go on the choo choo train. Here's a turkey. Gobble gobble, gobble gobble. I want to go in the train. Okay, let's make a line up here. Mr. Turkey is the first one. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. I am a rooster. I want to go on the choo-choo train. Okay, let's go in line. Who's next? Meh, meh, meh. I am sheep. I want to go in the train. I'm a little lamb. Okay, let's wait in line here. Who is next? Bleat, bleat. I am a goat. I want to go in the train too. I'm gonna stay here beside the sheep, the lamb. I am a little horsey. I want to go in the train too. Another one there. Who's next? I am a goose. I want to go in the train. There you go, goose. Stay here. I am a deer, a baby deer. I want to go in the train too. Okay, you can wait here. Woof, 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 woof. I am a little doggy. I want to go in the train. Okay, puppy, stay in line. Meow, meow, meow. I'm a little cat. I want to go on the train. And I am the last passenger. Okay, meowie, stay here. The choo-choo train is coming. Choo-choo, choo-choo. Ooh. Okay, let's take passengers on board. Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo. Okay, Mr. Turkey, come on board. I want to stay in this first wagon here. Who wants to go next? I want to go. Okay, Rooster. There we go. All done. All aboard. Where I'm going. Choo choo, choo choo. There we are. Let's go down and we'll stay right there. There you go, Mr. Turkey and Mr. Rooster. Thank you, Chelsea. You're very welcome. I'm going to get more passengers. Choo-choo. Who is next? Woof, woof. I'm next. I'm next. Okay, let's stay in the purple wagon and meow. The cat can stay in this wagon. Are you comfortable, guys? Yes, we are. Okay, let's move on. Choo-choo, 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 choo-choo train. There we are. Everybody down and take your seats in the back here. There we go. 4 passengers are where they should be. Now, let's go get more. Train is here. Next passengers, please. I want to go. Okay, little sheep. And the little goat. Both of you are going. Let's go. Choo-choo. Choo-choo train. There we go. Down we go in the back. There we go. Who's next? I'm next. Okay, little horsey, you can go in here. And we have 2 more passengers. One of them will have to stay and travel alone. Who wants to stay? I'll stay. Okay, Mr. Goose. The deer can go with the horsey. Choo choo, choo choo. Brum, 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 brum. Choo choo train, choo choo train, choo choo train, choo choo train. Brum, 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 brum. Choo choo. There we go. Okay, the deer can stay here beside the goat and the little horsey can stay right there. Thank you. You're very welcome, guys. Okay, Mr. Goose, you have 2 wagons. Which one do you pick? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, the pink one. Pinky. There we go, Mr. Goose. Ready? Ready. Ooh, choo choo choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo choo train, choo choo train, choo 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 train. Brum 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 brum. There. Mr. Goose, you can go beside the turkey here. Thank you. You're welcome, guys. Hey, Chelsea, don't go. We all want to go for a ride with you. Oh, you all want to go? But how are you going to fit in my train? We can fit. Let's try. Whew, it's going to be hard. Too many animals here. Let's see. A rooster and a cat. I can sit like that. Okay. And I think the doggy can sit like that too. And the sheep, the little sheep, I don't know, maybe like that, but it's gonna fall. No, the sheep has to stay inside. Uh-oh, Mr. Rooster, I'm sorry. There we go. I can fit 4 in here. And we have this horsey and the deer and the goat. Let's see if they can fit in here. Maybe sit like that. Come on, Mr. Goaty. And the deer can stay like that. And the horsey, horsey, horsey. Okay, the deer has to stay inside. And me like that. But we still have 2 more. We have Mr. Rooster and the geese, the goose. The goose can fit in here. And I'm gonna stay right here. Oh, that's a nice spot, Mr. Rooster. I mean, Mr. Turkey. You like it there? I like it very much. I am the king. I'm up there. That's a nice spot. Now let's see if the train will be moving with so many passengers. Ready, guys? Careful, hold on. Ooh, choo choo. Choo 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 choo. Ooh, slowly, slowly. Make sure nobody falls. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo choo train. It's a full animal train. Do 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 do. And one more round, one more round. Choo choo train, choo choo train. There we go. Stop. There. Okay, now all must go down. We have the little cat and the little doggy and the goose, the little lamb, rooster, goat, horsey, deer, and Mr. Turkey, who stayed comfortably up there. Okay, guys, now I really have to go. Bye, everybody. Bye. Choo-choo. That was fun, guys, wasn't it? Yes, it was. Bye everybody. Bye animals. Bye.
For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.